Good morning! Isang maulan na. Oh, I thought there is a... What's this? A roof. Isang maulan na umaga, Sunday morning. And we're waiting for Aunt Hillary to arrive. We're going for breakfast, guys. Ayan. I'll just have my rain jacket because it's raining and it's windy. Like, it feels like we're in the Philippines, guys, with this kind of weather. I smell the
Do you smell it?
the food. Is this it?
That's not the entrance.
It's at the entrance. Alright guys, papasok na kami sa restaurant. I'll see you inside. We're gonna be at Bayside Bar, Point Loma Cafe. Hey guys, kakatapos lang naming mag-breakfast. Hindi ko na na-videohan kasi nakakahiya. Ang daming tao sa restaurant and you know, privacy na rin ng mga ng mga kumakain. Eto, maulan pa din. So we're just exploring yung vicinity ng hotel.
So look, then they got decks.
Okay, so this is where the pool is. Ayan.
They got decks, you see that?
I know.
Do you want to ask for them to move the deck?
There's the pool. It would be nice, you know, when it's sunny, it would be nice to hang out dito sa pool area. Ayan. There. Maulan lang talaga, guys. Diyos ko, Lord.
Okay,
Ask for what?
a room on the pool area, on here. For the deck.
Oh, if we can ask to transfer?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
It would be nice, yeah. Maybe, oh, these are still part of the Holiday Inn?
Yeah. It's all
Okay.
Holiday Inn, yeah.
So yeah, we can ask. It would be nice if we get the room close to the pool. Oh, see, there's a small area for golfing. Shucks. Diyos ko, guys, ang ulan kasi nga si ate mong Hillary, yung pangalan ng dito ng storm, Hillary. And magla-landfall siya, expected yung maglandfall mga around 10 ngayong umaga. So yung weather since kahapon hindi maganda. So buti na lang to, may dala kaming rain jacket since na maulan. Kaya na-delay yung flight namin kahapon for 6 hours dahil na pinaayos-ayos yung weather. So ayan, pabalik na kami ng hotel. Magtatanong kami kung mapapalitan yung room namin from 4th floor and then mas malapit sa sa pool area. We can do that, right? Do you think they're gonna change the room for no additional cost?
Right, that's the ask.
Okay. Oops.
Hey, right, sorry.
Ang hangin na, guys. So siya, I'll see you guys later. So ayan guys, nakausap na namin dun sa front desk. And yung kagandahan talaga dito sa Amerika is that kung meron kayong request, most likely igagrant nila yung request niyo. So binigyan kami ng panibagong susi dun sa isa sa mga rooms na malapit sa pool area. And sinabihan kami na tingnan daw muna yung room, and then after namin ma-check, then we decide if we would like to transfer from the 4th floor papunta dito sa malapit sa pool area. So papunta kami sa room na malapit sa pool area para i-check namin. Okay. Ayan. And take note, wala siyang walang additional cost. That's the good thing here in America. Unlike sa Philippines, everything will cost you something.
Do you really have to comment on that, Dylan?
Yeah, you have to compare the experience. So, ayan. Oops, mababasa yung sapatos ko, guys. Hindi pa naman siya yung sapatos pa naman na suot ko is hindi siya for rainy days. So, oh, okay. So dito siya. Yun ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Katapat lang pala siya ng restaurant na kinainan namin. So ayan, guys, dito kami. This is kabilang building ko.
That's the exercise room.
Oh, this is the fitness center. Okay, maliwat na puntahan namin. Sa fitness center kami na padpad. Lobby. Oh, the lobby is... The lobby says there.
Where?
The lobby is pointing on the other side.
We're 218.
218.
Yeah.
201 to 216 is over there.
Let's go up.
Okay. Okay, punta kami sa ano. Four. We found the tour. I mean the room, guys. Ah.
Yes.
What?
Hey. You want to know something, yeah?
Huh?
Okay.
You talking to me?
What is it? So guys, we found the room na gusto naming mapuntahan.
So the sink's out here, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's alright.
The sink is here. Shower area is separate from the sink. Yeah, and we got, guys, the balcony. So I'll show you later when we are done transferring. This one is just so good.
Sorry.
This guy I'm with, guys, just make things happen.
Oh, let's go this way.
Did you hear that? Did you hear what I said?
This guy just makes things happen?
Yeah. So, yay! We're transferring. Nice view. Because yung sa room na iniistihan namin ngayon, walang balcony, and at the same time, tawag dito kasi yung mga hotel, lalo pag matataas, guys, wala talagang balcony kasi iniiwasan nila ang yung mga suicide, yung mga tatalon, ganyan. May pa nga parang may bakal pa nga dun sa bintana ng pinag-istihan namin. Pero dito, since hanggang second floor lang, kahit tumalon ka from the second floor, hindi ka matitegi. So, ayun, pabalik na kami sa main lobby. And inform na namin sa front desk na we would like to transfer. So, it's so nice. finally we found a room with balcony.
Yeah.
With a deck rather. You call it here a deck, right?
It's a balcony. It's also,
It's still, is it, what's the difference between a deck and a
I think
balcony?
a deck actually is lower down, like on the ground. I
Okay.
think a balcony is the correct,
Is the correct
is the
term?
correct term.
Yeah, because deck it's like the front or the back,
Right.
the back deck, right?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. We're here guys sa main lobby. So guys, lilipat na kami ng room.
It's getting real windy, right?
It's really, yeah, it's more windy now. So ayan, makikita nyo naman. Ayan. Lipat bahay. Mas maganda kasi yung ano, though mas safe dito sa ano, sa main building. Pero mas maganda kasi dun sa ano, sa lilipatan namin. Pero mas maliit nga lang siya compared sa room na nasa ano, nasa main building. Pero okay lang kasi dalawa lang naman kami. Hindi naman namin kailangan ng malaking room. Ano na guys, palakas na ng palakas ang hangin dito. So feeling ko talaga is ano, pero sana hindi naman ganun kalakas pag nag-landfall. Just baka mamaya mauwi kami sa evacuation center. There's the pool entrance there. I guess so. Oh god. 233. I think we're on the other side now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay. One moment. Okay. So hinahanap namin guys ang oh, I think it's here. Oh, this one, 218, right?
Yep.
One moment. How do I?
Just push it. Too late.
Okay, guys. So we are in our new room. There you go. So this is it. Ayan. Ang bagong room. And ayan, meron kaming balcony area. Let me show you guys. This is it. See, we have our own balcony. And then overlooking the pool area. So ayun yung building na yun. Doon kami galing. Doon kami sa 4th floor. So ito yung mga rooms na nandito sa mga pool area. Diba? It's super nice. Ayan. Ayan. Magsisettle na muna kami guys. I'll see you later.
And then he changed to 5 a.m.
So we're
You know what I
going
mean?
to the Grace Beach guys.
So I think, I mean, this is good. I like the rain. You know, it's nice. It helps.
Oh yeah. I've read you're gonna have more
Cleans
rain
the
and
air, streets.
yep. Waters all the plants.
Yeah. Food tastes better.
Food tastes better. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I'm from Seattle. So
Like, they have good food there.
yeah, and a lot of rain.
A lot
A lot
of rain.
A lot of
Well, actually, yeah, I think there's more depressed people in Seattle than any other city.
I know.
You know, that's there. I read the study.
Yeah.
And
Because-
the suicidal rate is high in Seattle because of the lack of sun. Isn't that interesting?
It is interesting. Sun really is amazing.
Well, weather has something to
You
do
need
with
the sun a little
the
bit.
mood.
Not a lot, but you do need it.
Yeah.
So ayan, magbibiyay na kami guys papunta beach. Kahit maulan. Hey guys, andito kami sa isa sa malapit na beach sa hotel. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami and check kung anong meron dito. Hindi ganun kalakas yung hangin, pero maulan talaga siya. This is look like a marina, no?
The marina's that way. There's more marina that way, or maybe this. No, this marina kind of goes in and around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit, we should do a tour boat.
A tour boat at this,
boat.
with this weather.
No, tomorrow.
No.
Tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow when the weather is better.
Yeah.
Yeah. But not today. So let me show you guys. Ito yung area. Ayan. So para siyang parang bay, marina bay. Madaming boat. Yeah. It must be nice to boating when it's sunny, not during rain, when it is. Okay. See, there's outboard boating club. There is. Sobrang maulan lang talaga. It must be really nice here when it's sunny. With all the birds, the ocean. Is this an ocean or a lake? Is this a lake or an ocean?
This is part of the ocean, but it's an inlet. You know, it's because they got a big barrier.
Yeah.
It's an inlet.
Ayun. Merong padaong na bangka. Kasi may malaking dyan. May malaking bangka. Ayun. Ayan. Pero parang may speedboat dun guys. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo kasi parang medyo malayo. Pero may speedboat dun. Mabilis. Not really speedboat pero mabilis yung andar. Tapos parang dun, mga buildings doon. Maybe houses. Yeah. There's also like a speedboat.
Yeah.
See that? It's running really fast.
That's a tour.
This one is the tourist.
Spirit of San Diego. Yeah.
We should do that tomorrow when the weather is that.
Picture weather. Find it.
Yeah, I'll check it. It must be nice. sa parang shed. Sobrang mahangin guys. Maglakad tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Maybe we should go on that. The
Oh, there's a dock down here.
Is there a dock?
Oh, it's right here. This dock. We can walk on.
Okay, let's go to the dock. Where do we go? Okay, pupunta kami sa parang dock. Daungan. Daungan guys. So, it's a lot of puddle. Sobrang ang hangin. Malaki kasi yung rain jacket ko guys. Eh, pag humahangin, natatakpan yung buong mukha. Ayan. Papunta kami dito. Tingnan nyo naman how nice yung lugar na to. See? Ano tawag dyan? Pato ba? And all the birds.
You see the bird on the dock?
Where?
Look at that big thing.
Oh right, there's a big bird. Let's
Let's just go slowly.
It's not a bird. It's probably like these ones. So ayun. Not sure kung nakikita nyo masyado, pero yan. Huh? Is it harmful?
Look.
Is it harmful?
Think you're gonna go with your eyes?
See guys. So pelicans daw to mga to.
Pelican's not scared of us.
It's not scared of
Look,
us.
you see it?
Yeah, it's big. Ayan oh. Meron dong pelican sa dadaanan namin, which is malaki siya. So it's a nice, it must be nice here kung sunny siya. Oh look, a small boat. Kaso nga lang maulan at mahangin guys, pero super nice naman. Yan, this is the water. See all the pelicans. Ayan. What? We should take a picture here.
Look, look at that.
And look at that small boat.
He's got a U-Haul with a trailer.
Yeah.
Why would you rent a U-Haul?
I don't know. Can you take a picture from here? With the... Okay. What? Nagpa-picture lang ako guys. I remember it's time.
The pelican's coming towards us. Come on.
Huh?
Come on.
Are you scared of the pelican?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna bite or harm us.
They go for your eyes.
Really? We can go all the way there.
No, we go on the other side, go all the way.
Okay, let's go on the other side then. So doon na lang kami punta sa sa kabilang pali guys, dahil merong pelican nanunuka daw ng mata. Ganda dito guys.
Don't step on the bird.
A lot of bird poop here. Oh, are these birds safe?
They're okay, they'll fly away before we
Oh, they're not scared. Hi. Maybe just up until here. See, guys, super nice. Kahit maulan. Okay guys, basang-basa na kami ng ulan. See? So we're trying to find yung parang Asian fusion restaurant. It's called Bali Thai. It's probably a Thai restaurant because it's called Bali. Like B-A-L-I, Bali Thai. Basang-basa na kami. Pero for the experience, at hindi tayo papakabog kay Tita Hillary, so ipupush na natin. Total andito na tayo. This way. Look, my passport, my wallet.
It's raining more now.
It's my battery. Ayan. Hanapin natin restaurant, and we're literally soaking. We're soaking, guys. It would be nice to have a drink, a margarita or
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
else.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right?
Huh?
I said it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah, it's always 5 o'clock somewhere, so you can have something to drink any time of the day, guys. You just gotta.
Okay, let's see if there's a bar. I think we had brunch this morning here.
No food or drink beyond this point. Huh? Which? Oh, here. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, there's a celebration. We probably should. Yeah, we should probably go upstairs. No? Okay. Merong parang may anniversary celebration dito sa baba. So punta tayo dito sa taas, guys. Wait lang, patpatayin ko muna. May dito, may celebration dito. So I feel like we're gate crushing.
We're not, it's downstairs. Everybody comes up here to get drinks and go downstairs. I'm not gate crashing. Everybody up here is private party.
It's like an anniversary event downstairs. This is a margarita, guys. It's you're not seen in the video.
I'm what?
You are not in the video. It's recording me.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Hey, look, Tiki Time Bay Tours.
How much?
How much? I haven't even got to it yet.
What was that? Is that for fishing?
No, it's a tour.
It's a tour?
$42 a person.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad.
$42.
If you look at the boat, then
Oh, that's cool.
is it cool?
Yeah, I think so. Rather than the big one,
Yeah.
that's better because you'll be able to see both sides.
So there's tables.
We have our own table, right?
Maybe. It's gonna probably be a full boat.
Yeah. We're deciding, guys, whether we will go on a tour or fishing. Yeah, it's nice. It's similar to, we also have one in Bohol. It's like a river cruise, and it's the kind of boat that they are using there. This is, I like margarita.
Yeah, sure.
Cheers. So we're here, guys, to just have some fun. So kahit maulan, pinupush nating lumabas at gumala.
So they got an afternoon tour, and they have
Sunset.
sunset tour.
Sunset would be nice.
Okay, so you pay for the fishing trip, I'll pay for the tour.
No, we half and half. Are we able to bring the fish though? Or maybe we can sell the fish.
Maybe you're crazy.
What? What?
Or maybe you could sell the fish.
So we go fishing. What if we have like maybe 4 or 5 fishes?
You're gonna have to ask them. I don't know. I've never done it.
It's gonna be useless if we cannot bring the fish back home, back to Seattle.
Right.
Or at least eat the fish, you know?
It's not useless, Dennis. It's about the experience. You don't
I
have to bring
know.
the fish.
But what are we gonna do with the fish?
You're gonna have to ask them what we do with the fish.
Maybe they pay for it? Maybe they buy the fish
I doubt it.
and then they sell
Yeah, I doubt that.
or for consumption.
Maybe they donate it. Maybe there's a Filipino charity here in town that they donate it to.
Maybe I connect with the Filipino community and
Yeah. Uh-huh.
give the fish.
Do you know what Groupon is?
Hmm?
Do you know what Groupon is? Groupon?
Yeah, I signed up for a Groupon, remember a few years ago?
Okay. So this is a Groupon. This
So it's discounted?
20%.
So guys, ito yung place. Ayan, super nice. Merong ano yun doon, makikita mo yung parang ocean sa banda doon. Kasi ito yung pinaka-bar area nila. Alright guys, babalik na kami ng hotel. Kahit pa paano nakapag-enjoy na kami. Uminom lang kami ng margarita and we're going back to the hotel dahil manunood kami ng sine. So, naantay lang namin ang Uber. 1 minute. Dito yung ano. Diyan yung...
Off the ground. Now it's 8 minutes.
We should have stayed. Should we go? One minute tapos naging 8 minutes yung Uber. So, andyan sa likod na yan. Parang yung ano, yung bay, yung dagat. So, ayun guys, we're back at the hotel. Whew, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Papahinga lang kami saglit and then baka lumabas kami later para manood ng sine. Kasi wala naman ang ibang gagawin ngayon eh. Sobrang maulan at mahangin. So, hopefully bukas mas maganda ang weather para makagala kami ng bongga. Alay, si Kuya maliligo sa pool. Palaki dyan. Di ba alam mo nakita niya? Pero si Kuya, borda. Nakaubad. Diyos ko, nung pumasok kami sa restaurant, parang ano to, para kami basang sisiw. Kasi sobrang basang-basa na. Ayan. Dito na kami. Sana iulan lahat ngayon. Ibuhos na lahat ng ulan ngayon para bukas wala na. Kasi ang alam ko is hanggang ngayon lang ang ang hindi magandang weather, pero bukas mukhang magiging maaraw na siya. So hopefully, cross fingers para mas maganda ang ano natin, mas maganda ang aura natin bukas. So nilalamig na ako. Ito na kami guys. Update ko na kayo later sa ibang ganap natin. Yay! Labas na naman kami. Dahil mag-ano na dito, mag-aalas 6.
Mr. Closes. No, that way.
Mag-aalas 6 na dito guys and hindi maulan pa din. So pupunta lang kami ng meron ditong malapit na parang bar sa may poolside. Doon na lang kami mag-dinner. Doon na lang kami kakain. Hindi na kami pupunta sa kung saan dahil nga super duper maulan pa din. So I think we should go on the other side now.
No, what other side?
Where we crossed.
Oh, you want to go that way?
No, it's okay. We can take this one. Sana merong kanin. Gusto ko ng heavy na pagkain. Dahil puro lang ako itlog tsaka tawag dito patatas. Kaya sana merong masarap na pagkain ito lang. Wala pa rin tigil talaga guys. Doon may Bayside Park. Super ulit na punta. So hopefully open siya. Ano tayo? Open siya guys.
Hey, how we going? Let's grab see whatever you like. For dinner, drinks?
Yeah.
Here, we're gonna stay here.
He's like 30. What?
I'm
Man, life is
36.
good. No stress. Life is good.
Okay guys, babalik tayo ng room. Nakalimutan ko yung ID ko. Hindi sila naniniwalang 21 years old na ako. So I have to go back, get my ID. Kasi we're sitting in the bar. Ay nako, ganun. Sa harag ng face ko na to, hindi pa sila naniniwala na ano na ako, more than 21 years old. So, di ba? sabi nung lalaki sa bar, oh man, life's good. Hindi daw ako mukhang 21 years old, my goodness. So alam niyo na guys, alam niyo na ang beauty ko dito, charot. Diyos ko, ang layo pa naman ang iikutan. As in, ang layo ng iikutan guys. Ay, dapat na ako umakyat. Anyway, isang kembot na lang ito. Saan ba? Mamaya maligaw pa ako dito. Ay ba ito? Saan ba? Dito. O diba? Mamaya maligaw pa ako. So anything, okay. Okay guys, we're here. So wait lang, kunin natin ang ID. Ano yung wallet ko dito? Pala din na ako na yung wallet ko. Ayan. Okay. So ayan. Dala ko na. Let's go back. Wait lang, baka mamaya wala dito yung ID ko. Okay. ID ready. Dito kasi guys, tawag dito. Ano talaga? Stricto sila pagdating sa mga ganyan, lalo sa ano to, pag pupunta ka ng bar or pupunta ka ng marijuana store, you need to present your identification. Talagang sinisigurado nila na nasa legal age ka na. Ganun sila dito. Hindi mo sila mapapakiusapan katulad sa Pinas na di ba sasabihin natin dyan sa Pilipinas na, kuya, ano to, ganyan-ganyan. Dito hindi. Kinakailangan natin mag-comply sa kung ano yung requirements. So, hindi po pwede na hindi natin gagawin. So, ayun. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Dito na tayo. So, doon sa banda doon guys, ano yun doon, parang marina, ang daming doon. Parang madaming marina around the area. So yes, dito kami kumain kaninang umaga sa Point Loma Cafe. Tapos ito yung bar, dito tayo magdi-dinner at may iinom-inom tayo ng konti. Alright, so ayan, papasok na tayo guys. Tapusin ko muna yung video dito, update ko lang kayo later. Bye. Tapos na kaming kumain. Grabe ang hangin guys. Sobra ang hangin. Grabe Nakakaloka. Bagyo na ata to. I think this is the storm. See guys, can you see? Sobrang ano to, sobrang mahangin na siya. Bonggang mahangin. Tingnan nyo. Oh. See? Ganyan na siya kahangin. Whew. Ilalabas kami, manunood kami ng sine. Kasi we still have 15 minutes to. We have 15 minutes extra. Bago kami pupunta ng sinihan. Kasi ang sine is like 6:45. So babalik muna kami ng room para mag-relax ng konti dahil busog kami ng sobra. Tsaka uminom kami. It's so freaking cold. Diyos ko guys. It's super wind. Yeah. It's so windy. Sobrang mahangin. So dito na tayo sa room. Dito tayo, lumabas tayo ng ano. I'm gonna go outside.
Alright.
Go outside guys. Oops. There you go. See? Oh. Basa din dito. Ayan. Pagkito na ako sa balcony. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh. Diba? Kung gaano siya kahangin. Sobrang malamig guys. Ay, si Kuya. Oh, sarap si Kuya dun. Meron palang tao dun sa ano. Sa bathtub. Or sa hot tub. Yan. So we have few minutes to go. We're not going to the brothers. So I think sa ibang part ng California, sobra na atang nananalata ang bagyong Hillary. So parang ano to, for the longest time, parang ito ulit yung malakas na bagyo ata natatama or tumama sa California. So ayun, tingnan nyo dun banda. Oh, diba? Sana bukas okay na yung ano weather. So ayun, ganda pa naman dito sa ano, super nice pa naman dito sa hotel guys. Super nice pa naman. Kaso nga dito ang lamig. Ayun. So finally guys, diba kanina request ko is sana ano to, heavy yung magiging meals para sa hapunan. Nag-order ako ng ng pork ribs. Diyos ko, 2 malalaking pork ribs ang nasa menu na ina-order ko. So tapos ang daming french fries, tapos meron pang mga carrots, at meron pang konting yung parang maliit na salad. So bongga, busog na busog ang nurse for today's video. Feeling ko yung ipin ko merong dumi. So yan, good luck. Manunood kami. So yung scene is like 6:45. So kung sabihin na natin 2 to 3 hours, malamang makakauwi kami or matatapos mga alas 9. Yeah, probably mga 9. And sana hindi lumala lalo yung weather. Sarap guys, sarap mag hot tub. Kaso parang feeling ko hindi ko kakayanin yung so mainit naman ata ang tubig. Diba? Si Kuya sarap na sarap kahit sobrang mahangin. Sarap na sarap si Kuya sa hot tub. Ayun guys, this is our first day. Kasi kahapon hindi naman consider as first day. Yung dumating kami dito gabi na. So natulog lang kami literally kahapon. So ngayon ang officially first day natin dito sa San Diego, California. And so far, we are being welcomed by Storm Hillary. Bongga ang pa-welcome ni Hillary sa atin for today's video. So uuwi na si Kuya. Nilamig na ata si Kuya. Pauwi na rin siya. Pabalik na siya ng pabalik na siya ng room niya. So ayan, alright, dito na muna tayo guys. Update ko na lang kayo sa ibang kaganapan natin kasi sobrang ang hangin talaga.